Hi, my name is Mark Bond, the Money Sandwich Coach, and welcome to this tutorial on how to pay your credit cards off faster using our calculator. As while most of us have a credit card or two and understand what the minimum repayment is each month, very few of us understand how long we're going to be repaying that credit card or the significant difference making extra repayments will make. I should also say this is not personal financial advice, as we're just showing you how this calculator works and don't know your own situation or circumstances. Okay, so let's get started. We're on the moneysandwich.com website. If you go over to Helpful Tools and click on that, Resources, click again, scroll down to Online Calculators, click, and in the bottom right-hand corner, Pay Off Your Credit Card Calculator. Okay, so you'll see I'm scrolling down so I can see more of the calculator. And the example here is $10,000, and you may have $5,000, $7,000. You can put your own example in, but we'll just run through this so you can see how it all works. There may be an annual fee. You can actually put that in. The interest rate of 20% is pretty typical, but yours might be slightly higher or slightly less, and you can put that in. Now, the minimum repayment, here, the repayment details, we can see is $25 on $10,000. And if you scroll down further, the minimum payment time, if you're only paying the minimum allowed, is over 28 years and 7 months. And that $10,000 credit card, the amount that you owe, total interest paid is $18,662 on top of the $10,000. So what we've put in here is that you're making a higher repayment of $300 a month rather than the $25 per month. So they can just see, you can put any figure in you want, but in this example, it's $300. You can see the significant difference it makes in that it reduces the repayment time down from 28 years down to 4 years, 3 months. And the total interest paid now is only $4,700 compared to the $18,000. And you can actually see the graph from the light blue to the dark blue on the difference it makes from being over 28 years down to 4 years. If you only could afford $200 per month, I would put that in and I hit the enter button. Still makes a significant difference. Rather than 28 years, it's now 9 years. And rather than 18,000 interest, it's 11,000 interest. If we actually could make $400 in repayments on this $10,000 debt, you can see the repayment time is 2 years, 10 months, and the interest is $3,000 compared to the original 28 years and $18,000. So you can get to a chance to experiment with your own situation, but what's really critical is two important things. A $10,000 outstanding balance, if you're only paying the minimum amount allowed, is going to be the minimum time is like over 28 years. That's a significant amount of time to be paying a credit card off. The other point to make on this is if you can afford a higher repayment, how much of a time difference it makes, as well as saving you on interest. Now, like all our calculators, if you'd want to know more, you can contact us. You can print this example off or your own possible example. If you would like, you can also join our newsletter. Put your details in here. And the newsletter provides information and articles and money tips for your own benefit. And also, I hope you get a chance to look at the resources and other calculators we have here on our website. A plug too for our the Money Sandwich book, which has plenty of examples on and case studies on how to pay off your mortgage faster, how to pay your credit card off faster, how to buy a property, how to make the most of your superannuation, getting your money working harder for you. We also have group coaching and also low-cost online courses available as well. So all the best for myself, Mark Bynum, on your own financial journey, and best of luck for the future. Thank you.